Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with an Amazon Prime Days unboxing. I am so excited to open this. This is the best deal I found on Amazon Prime, hands down. I don't know when you guys are going to see this unboxing because Amazon Prime is already over as I'm recording. This took a while to come in. So anyway, no more than maybe 4 days, but still, by the time it came in, Prime is over. So you're not going to be able to order it. But I did put up on my YouTube channel, the day that I ordered this, I did put up a notice that you could get these on sale. So anyway, let's just open these up. I'm so excited. I can't tell you how excited I am. Let's turn this over. Are you ready? Oh, this is like the best deal ever, and I'm so excited. I got a set of Prismacolor colored pencils. I have wanted these since I started my real art journey. And by real art journey, I mean not digital art. Although digital art is real art. But anyway, let's just open the tin so you're not getting all this glare. Let's get rid of the plastic. I'm so excited. It's really nice that they put it in plastic, because I do find my other set of pencils that I have from Amazon Prime, the lid does not stay on. So I have to use like a hair wrap to keep the lid on. So I hope this lid stays on better than the other one. So far, so good. So you guys, these are regular $107.99 Canadian. And I got these on sale during Prime Days for $61.21. I could never pay over $107 for pencils. Kind of, to tell you the truth, freaked out that I spent $61 on colored pencils. But this has been the dream. So before I started watercolor, before I started oil pastels, before I started acrylic painting, I started with colored pencils, and I got the Amazon Basics because I read that they're similar to the Prismacolor Premier. But this was like the gold standard that I wanted so badly, and I love the 72 size. I find more than 72 colors, I get very overwhelmed. I think I'd even be happy with a 48 set. I would have bought the 48 set, but the deal wasn't as good. So, $61.27. So look at that beautiful, vibrant tin. And I love tins. And this tin is gorgeous. Like, how would I love to be able to paint or draw like that? Like, look at that. And it's pink. Of course, I love pink, right? So anyway, the tin is silver on the bottom. And it shows you all the colors that it comes in. I apologize for the glare. You're getting a lot of glare because I have my overhead light on. And if I try to get rid of the glare with my hand, you're getting my shadow. So anyway, if I can find this color link, I'll post it. But if not, I will put the link to these pencils, and you could see the actual Amazon, link, and it will show you everything. So these are 72 brilliant colors, and it is soft core colored pencils, artist quality colored pencils for every level of expertise, high quality pigments for rich color saturation. You're getting my phone. You're getting the shadow from my phone. Soft, thick cores create a smooth color laydown. Anyway, I'm very excited to try this. It says, warning, may be harmful if swallowed. The metallic gold colored pencils contain copper, so don't chew these pencils. And it says they were made in Mexico and the tin was made in China. And it conforms to ASTMD 4236. I don't know what that means. Anyway. And also FSC 100% wood inside. So, let's open these up. Oh, they're all like, there's little shreds in here. I thought they were scratches, but they're not. I think it's just lead. It looks like thread. I thought these were all scratched up, but they're not. It must be from when they sharpen the pencils. So anyway, hang on. I have my handy dandy beadsmith right here to stick things to so they don't go rolling all over. So there are different layers of colors in here, and here is the first layer. And I will probably be rearranging everything because I don't know. How do you suppose they arrange these? Whoa! Oh, this. Yeah, I will be rearranging them because I'm going to knock them all out. Like, what is the difference between these and these? So there's 24 colors here. Oh, yeah. These are really flimsy little pans. Like, super flimsy. They're not meant to be held at all. And here is the other tray of colors with the reds and the pinks. And here is the third tray of colors. I don't understand. Like, did they do a warm color set and a cool color set? Like, these have the gold ones, the silver and the gold metallic. Yeah, I think I'm going to rearrange these all and put all my yellows together, all my reds together, and pinks, and you know what I mean. That's probably what I'll do. But maybe I should leave them the way they did them. Like, could that be warm colors, cool colors, neutral colors? I don't know. Cool, warm? I don't know. I don't know. I don't really understand the warms and the cool colors, to be honest. When I was a little girl, I understood that cool colors were like blue. Warm colors were like red and yellow. So then I'm like, well, where does pink fall? Like, to me, the warm colors are fall colors and the cool colors are spring colors in my brain. So that doesn't make it true, right? But anyway, let's just put these down. And let's pick up a pink one and take a look at one pencil. So that says Prismacolor Premier. They're not actually in as nice shape as I was thinking. I was thinking, like, I don't know, like, they look good. They look nice. They feel nice. And this, you know, this is just an unboxing. But it gives you the name, the color, pink, rose, and then the pigment color. So this is PC929. And let's just grab a blue one. Yeah, I have a hard time reading that. I think this is French blue. True blue. Oh, now I have the Madonna song True Blue in my head. Anyway, so it has all the pigment colors. These are really, really beautiful. So I think the lighter colors are easier to read because the lighter colors have the darker color. And they're almost engraved. Like, when I put my finger here, it's not just stamped on there. That's engraved on there. But to me, that is much easier to read than the other one. But let's see. I think it might just be the contrast that I need. Because I could read the black. I could read the silver on the black, no problem. And I could read the black on the yellow, no problem. So I think it's just the other colors where it's not that much of a difference, where it's kind of hard for me to do. No, I could read that one okay. Spanish orange. So anyway, we will do a swatching video of all of these beautiful colors. I don't know if I can get all of these colors together on my screen. My camera, I don't think will go far back enough. These ones here don't want to stay in at all. But that is it for the Prismacolor Premiers. I'm gonna close them all up before I spill everything everywhere in life. But I am super excited. I might buy a container to put these in, that like a zipper container where they all fit in their pockets and I could zip everything up. And they I don't have to worry about them going crazy. You know, you could buy like, it's like a pencil case with pages, and the pencils kind of fit in their elastic things that they fit in. I think I'm going to order one of those because I don't do well. Like, I can't even get the lid back on the tin, but I might be doing it backward. I am. But I'm a klutz. Even on a flat surface, I'm a klutz. And I don't want to break the leads because these are super expensive pencils. So apparently you can buy these one at a time at art stores. I haven't seen them. So, but hopefully these are okay. Hopefully they sharpen okay once they break. And they're not the kind that you have to sharpen down to a nub once they break. You know what I mean? But anyway, I thought that was an amazing deal. $61.27 Canadian. So that's Canadian. Alexa, what is $61 Canadian in American money? Alexa says that that is 44 American dollars, just so you can get an idea. So 44 American dollars, 61 Canadian dollars. That's what I paid for this. And these are regular 107 Canadian dollars, which I don't know what that would be in American. I'm not going to ask Alexa because she just goes on and on. Anyway, that is it for this unboxing. If you want to go online, I will put the link. These have over 90,500 ratings, and they're 4.7 out of 5. Everyone seems to really love these pencils, except for a few negative ratings where they say they break when they break, like when you use the sharpener, you ruin the pencil. But most people don't say that. And when I look at the artwork that was done by these pencils, it's incredible. So there are some really talented pencil artists out there. Oh, a lot. Okay, a lot of these are coloring books. Okay, I was thinking, wow, how are they drawing all these intricate details? These are coloring book things. Okay, that makes more sense. Yeah, here's one that's a bad one. Lacking quality control, missing colors. So one person was missing 2 pencils that were substituted with an extra white and a colorless blender. So anyway, I'm going to have to check through all of these. Oh, here's some actual real artwork that people were doing. Really nice, but you can check that out for yourself. I'm really happy with this. I was not going to buy Prismacolor. That wasn't even on my radar for buying. I've been like on a watercolor kick and an oil pastel kick and watercolor, like wax pastels and wax crayons. So this hasn't even been on my radar. These are just normal colored pencils. They're not watercolor pencils. But I did want these several years ago. They have been in my my wish list for a long time. And when I saw that sale, like that was a really good sale. So I'm gonna have to start using these. But that'll probably not be until the fall because I'm not bringing these out to camp with me. I don't want to pack them and maybe have them go loose. And no, I'm just bringing my watercolors out to camp with me. And probably my watercolor pencils and probably my Caran d'Ache wax crayons. But these are going to stay home for the fall. But hopefully I'll get to test them before I leave. I have another week and a half in town before I head out. So we'll see. All right, you guys. So that is it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Was that a good price that I paid? Do you have these? And if you have any tips, let me know. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, all of those good things that help me as a channel. And most of all, take care, stay safe, and happy crafting. Bye, guys.